Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix Instagram loading slow problem. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, what you need to do is simply need to go ahead and go to App Store and go ahead search Instagram on the search bar. Once you're doing that, you make sure if it's an update asking here in the open section, tap on update and update to app, and that can also troubleshoot some of the issues of your Instagram loading problem. Next thing, you need to check on your internet connection. If your internet connection is not good, then your Instagram is gonna run slow. So make sure you can go ahead change the network as well, right? Or you can switch to your cellular data if that works well. But once you have checked on that, you're gonna go ahead long press on Instagram app. You can simply remove it, reinstall as well if it's really bugging you. Yep, you're gonna simply go ahead and remove the app, uninstall the app and reinstall the app, and that should also help you out. You can go to your settings and offload the app as well, or you can simply clear cache files as well. That's what you can do. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.